Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix fulfillment services is not defined for your shop in Shopify. So if you're seeing the fulfillment service is not defined for your shop error in Shopify, follow these steps to resolve it. First step is verifying fulfillment settings. So navigate to Shopify admin, then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen, then navigate to shipping and delivery. Here, scroll to custom order fulfillment section. So this is custom order fulfillment section and ensure that the correct fulfillment provider is selected here. Click on add fulfillment service, enter the name and email, then click on save and make sure that the correct fulfillment provider is selected. If missing, you'll have to just add it just right here. Now, second way to fix this problem is assign the correct fulfillment services to products. So navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to products and open the affected product. Here, scroll to the inventory section and check if the fulfillment service is set to manual or a third-party provider like Deezers, Printful, etc. If blank or incorrect, select the right fulfillment service and save changes. Now, third way to fix this problem is reconnecting third-party fulfillment apps. So, if you're using Deezers, Printify, Printful or another app, just navigate to Shopify admin, navigate to app section, then navigate to settings on a Shopify store, then navigate to apps and sales channels, and here you'll have to click on your fulfillment app and check if it's still connected. And if disconnected, you'll have to click on three-dotted icon, click on uninstall, then choose this option, click on uninstall, then reinstall that app from your Shopify app store. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is updating your Shopify API settings for custom fulfillment services. So, if you're using a custom fulfillment API, check the settings. Go to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then navigate to apps and sales channels. Then click on your fulfillment app and check for API permission errors. If necessary, reinstall or update API permissions. Now, fifth way to fix this problem is contacting Shopify support or your fulfillment provider. So if the issue persists, contact Shopify support or your fulfillment services provider. They can check if there are server issues or missing API configurations. So by following these steps, you can easily fix the fulfillment services as not defined error and get your orders processing.